In this video, I want to show you a simple workflow process that we use to track web submissions. Like most businesses, we have a few forms on our website. One for simple contact requests, one called Get Started that goes a little deeper into the business need, and we have one to sign up for a trial of either CRMPlus365 or P2xRM. We set up our web forms with a product called JotForm, but there are several ways to do this. What continues to surprise me when I visit a customer site is where this information goes. Let's face it, we're all fishing for new business. Good economy, bad economy, we continue to fish. A web form submission is like a fish that jumps into your boat. You don't want to let that one get away. So why would you have these web form submissions get sent to someone's email? If you want to increase the chances of losing valuable information, put it in an email. You know, the same place you keep all your unread messages and spam. There's a better way. Why not have those web form submissions get entered directly into your CRM system? And then if you insist on having email, have the CRM system send you the email. That way it's more of a notification than an action item. And if you miss it entirely, no harm. That web lead is still in your CRM system. That's how our web leads feature works. And we have this set up in both CRMPlus365 and Dynamics 365. Using a combination of Power Automate and simple business rules, no code, every web lead lands in our CRM, and the system is smart enough to display the appropriate information depending on where it came from. A Contact Us form will look like this, a Get Started form looks like this, and a trial request looks like this. So now what? We have an ocean of leads, right? Not so fast. I don't know about you, but the vast majority of the leads that we have in our system are not leads at all. They're solicitations, and that's okay. Like I said, everybody's fishing for new business. So how do we handle that? In our system, we look at every web submission and we read through it. This person's trying to sell us cleaning services. We're all set with that right now, so what we'll do is simply disqualify this web lead. One click, another click of the deactivate button, and it's still in our system, but it's deactivated and it hasn't entered our sales process. It ends right here. And honestly, we'll do that with most of these. For an actual web lead, we read through that as well, but again, with a simple click of the qualify button, this web lead turns into an actual lead. All the relevant information is sent, and it continues with the normal sales process. We can even click on the details section and see the original web source. And with a single click, we can go back to all the information that was entered on the web form. If you'd like our help automating your small business tasks, reach out to us today.